the drug, just give me relief. The love, just give me a piece of life. One piece of life. Give it to me. Don't judge.
Well, I tried to drive the best I could because I wanted to sound really good. So, yeah, I mean, it was good. It's also very different driving an electric car because you don't hear, you don't hear the engine, and you had the opportunity to hear the music a lot louder. So yeah, it was a really fun experience.
I like driving. I like to sit by myself in a car and listen to music, and I actually think I'm a pretty good driver. I mean, if you drive in Amsterdam, you have to be. There's trams and bicycles and all sorts of things, and I'm a good parker as well. So yeah, maybe I can drive this Jaguar one day. I think the move to electric cars is very important. It's essential for us to even survive. I mean, it's something that I don't think that involvement doesn't go fast enough, and I think it's really important that Jaguar is an example to a lot of other brands that are doing this. So I'm very excited to be here and to promote this car. I loved being in Wonder Woman and in Justice League, and yeah, who knows, more superhero movies. I can't tell you anything. Oh, I'm a super fan of Dua Lipa since she started out, and I really like her husky voice and her style, and she seems like a very nice person. I'm going to meet her for the first time tonight. I'm very excited that she's in Holland and that she's supporting an electric car. It's something that speaks to me, and that I try to live that way, and very conscious about the environment. So very excited about tonight.
Just give me relief. The love, just give me a piece of life. One piece of life. Give it to me. Don't judge, just give it to me. But no hurt, no second degree tonight. Run free tonight.